it's come to my attention that people really don't like AI images, videos, or just AI. Like, what are your thoughts on AI? Do you like it? Do you use it? What do you think about it in the creative space, in the Christian space? Do you use it for work? Do you use it at home, life in general? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it the devil? What do you think? I use AI because it just helps me to move faster. It's not like the ideas are not mine and that I'm not creating the stuff. It's just that I'm one person and my creative output is really high. So for me to stay up and keep up with myself, I use it, and I have so many ideas, like sometimes within like 5 minutes, that, like, for example, yesterday I had the idea to release my first ever worship song. I wrote it back in 2007, and at the time I didn't really know how to release music. I didn't have anyone to sort of guide me through the process, and I've gone through the long journey of many years of learning how to release music, the hard and the long way. And this time round, I felt led to really research the whole system of releasing music and combine it with all the years of trial and error that I've been through, the observations that I've made, the advice that I've received, the courses that I've done. And I did it so thoroughly because in case you don't know me, I love to write. I packaged it into a book, and it's going to be released. It's going to be an actual manual that artists can follow to release their music, like every step of the way. And the manual's called Release Your Music. I'm currently proofreading the book now to make sure it's all perfect for you for when it's released. But if you want to know more about it, you can click the link in the description. You can also access a free Release Your Music checklist. So it's a checklist that you can check your progress every step of the way on your journey to release music, and you'll be the first to know when the book is released. Let's go back to the main point. I didn't have artwork for it, and rather than delaying the release of it, I just thought, you know what? Let me describe to AI, so the idea came from my mind, what I want the artwork to look like, and then it created it for me. And I had like 5 different options, and people have been voting. But I noticed that a lot of people have been quiet. Probably now I'm realizing that, because people don't like it, don't like AI or something. But yeah, literally, it's like, for me to release a song, like if I was going to do it the way I used to, it would require deciding on an outfit, going and finding it, making the time to go and try on different outlooks, having the budget for it, getting a makeup artist, getting a video photographer, choosing the location, paying for a studio, getting it edited, going through a bunch of artwork, deciding, and that could take weeks. It could even take months, and I'm quite a perfectionist, so I could potentially get so stuck in all of those decisions and all of those stages that I potentially wouldn't do it. So instead of me just sitting on all this stuff, instead of me just not doing the thing, I'm just using AI to speed up my process and make the thing happen. So I hope you get where I'm coming from. I'm sorry if you just don't like AI, but I hope you get where I'm coming from now. I'd rather use AI to speed up my process so I can actually release and the thing that I'm being led to do, and sharing the gift that God's given me, rather than it sitting on my hard drive gathering dust because I'm stuck because I need to do a photo shoot. It's like, it's not even about me. It's not even about the photo shoot. It's about God at the end of the day. I don't even need to be in the image. I could just take a picture of the sky, or nature. But for this particular one, I had this idea of a beautiful silhouette of me just in worship, and not even in my face, just the back of me, just worshiping God, because the song is called A Sacrifice of Praise. So yeah. All right, guys, I just wanted to share a little bit behind my process so you can understand where I'm coming from. And it's me, and I wrote the song, and it was produced by a real human, and yeah, it's given, the song was given from God, Okay, lots of love. God bless.